structural integrity here is completely compromised.
Look at this bolt, it's completely fused.
What about the axle back here?
We'll fix this truck and make it like brand new.
Right there, lock it in.
Watch the bumper, bring it down slow. We got this. Bring it down easy now, watch the bumper.
Oh! Oh! A little more to the left, slowly. Watch the left side, it's shifting. Clear on this side, keep it slow. Oh.
We're hitting the pavement now.
Watch the clearance on the left side.
Okay, easy now. Bring the crane down slowly.
We're clear back here.
The corrosion here is extensive, much deeper than it looked.
This door post is completely compromised. It won't elision hold.
Get the bumper on the left side. I'm trying, it's really stuck here. Yeah. We need more pressure over here.
Almost there, it's starting to separate.
Watch your hands, this thing is heavy.
Line it slowly, let's get it right on the hub.
Got it, watch your fingers.
Almost there, just a little higher.
Check this corner right here.
Check this to where is it?
Got it, looks perfect now. All right, take it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the left. Copy that, moving up. All right, easy now, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Got it, it's clear. Just a little lower.
We're lined up on the mounts, hold it right there.
See the origine patina here on the wheel. We should preserve this texture.
Yeah. What about this tear in the vinyl? Should we patch it?
Check the polarity on the left headlight plug.
Confirmed. Tightening the battery terminal now.
interior switches check out.
Okay, the horn works, and the high beams are bright.